I have my phone down low, but anyways, I'm a little sick, my bad. But anyways, today we're gonna go pick up my boy Jacob. I'm gonna be slapping on a 2018 bumper on my truck. He's basically gonna do maintenance on my truck. You'll see in the video. I'll pick it up right when we're about to start. My boy getting down. Not helping, I'm just standing.
Your shit's boo. Your shit was about to fall off.
When I crashed that shit, look, shit fucked up my bed. Damn. Yes, sir. Picking up the vlog real quick. My boy's already getting down with it. Look at his ass. Barely fits and shit. I'm gonna slap this big boy on. That shit's gonna look tough. Hey, how long does this take you to?
Like 30 minutes.
For real? Fuck.
If I had the impact, like 5.
The fuck? I think a cat's getting fucked over there.
Huh?
A cat's like getting fucked over there.
Cats?
Yeah, they're like, oh. Some cats.
They were like, meow.
Yeah, like my white cat.
Rest in peace.
Nah, my other white cat. Shit, bro, she's gonna look hella sick. I'll pick it up when we have it on, but yeah, it's just an update.
Are you gonna do the voiceover?
Yes, sir. Currently, we took it off. So I was looking. Damn, it's South City now. Damn, nigga, you next to that shit makes it look like a giant.
Makes me look like that.
Yeah. I'll show better clips right now, but we have it off. We're just changing the tires real quick. Fix my battery because it hasn't ran in like days. Yeah, this is all sitting for now. I'll spend a little more right now in a bit.
Firme el polo bien abierto, volaban los cielos con el papo andaban.